we're gonna show you exactly what it's like when a torsion spring breaks. So Rob's been doing this over 15, 20 years now. He knows what he's doing. We definitely do not recommend adjusting an old spring. So this would never happen if it was a brand new spring. So he's gonna overwind the spring. Most people don't even realize their torsion spring is broke because their door just doesn't go up and they can't see that the spring is broken. And he's just gonna keep going until that torsion spring breaks, and you guys will see the finale, the fireworks, the whole enchilada. This spring is about to break. Get ready for it. Oh no, oh no. Rob did lose a finger, but it was not from a torsion spring. He lost a finger from his wedding ring getting stuck on a truck rack about 10 years ago.
Look at that. That was a good break. That was good.
Nice one.
That was a good break.
So anyways, don't do that at home. Don't let a wedding ring get stuck on a truck rack. But that's how a torsion spring breaks.